In 1938, an American chemist was experimenting with refrigeration gases, and the waxy substance formed years later, when bonded to cookware it gained a non-stick reputation. When it's time to fry using a non-stick pan averts a messy situation. The non-stick coating is one of the slipperiest solid materials on earth, called polytetrafluoroethylene. The name is a bit of a mouthful, but the appeal is easy. Food won't get stuck on this non-stick surface. Machinery now pulls the aluminum sheet forward to a 130-ton punch press. This powerful press forces the metal around a frying pan-shaped die, and then punches out the shape. The sides of the pan are very uneven now. The machine is now cutting the edge, and the edge of the pan is cut flat. The freshly formed aluminum frying pan falls onto a conveyor below, and the leftover aluminum will be used to make new frying pans. An automated squeegee silk screens the company's name and other information onto the pan bottoms. They now enter a long curing oven heated to 1040 degrees Fahrenheit. The pans now ride a conveyor through a washing station where they are cleaned and then treated with sodium hydroxide. This opens the pores of the metal to allow an enamel coating to stick to the outside and the non-stick finish to adhere to the inside. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen-related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss. A worker inspects the pans and places them upside down on spray fixtures. It's a tight fit to shield the inside from the enamel spray that comes next. The pans spin on the fixtures and twirl by the spray nozzles for an even application of enamel to the exterior of the pans. A clear glossy coat follows the frying pan's transfer to a drier conveyor. The hot air pulls out water from the enamel coating, and the color goes from gray to chalky white. A sprayer applies a special primer that will make the non-stick coating adhere to the pan. Exit water rains down to cool the pans and rinse off any contaminants. Then they go through an infrared light chamber to dry off. From a plain shell to a pan with an enamel finish on the outside and a non-stick coating on the inside. The transformation has taken just 1 hour. From a plain shell to a pan with an enamel finish on the outside and a non-stick coating on the inside. The transformation has taken just 1 hour. In this step, the quality inspectors will carefully inspect the pot body to check whether the pot body is smooth and whether the cut edge is smooth. Products that fail inspection at this step are recycled for reuse. If you pass the inspection, go to the next step soon. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Kobach, remember to subscribe us, or you can check us out online at http://kobach.com. Elementa 11. Through this series of steps, the non-stick pan is ready. Now no matter what's cooking, cleanup should go smoothly.